Hello everybody, this is Vitasta. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think at this point I should not only thank Taylor Swift for her incredible artistry that has saved my life, but she has also tried to save my career by releasing music कि मैं बार बार उसके लिए इस चैनल पे वापस आ जाती हूँ. It's like a cycle, you know. Thank you Taylor once again for salvaging what I did after abandoning this channel so many times. It's always been her albums and Taylor that bring me back to the channel because I feel like this is where I can actually show my love for her. I don't want to sound like a grandma when I say, especially after the Eras tour, she has been a really big phenomenon and like everyone is a fan now. Like everybody likes her. At this point, it's just become a trend and it's like your love is not special anymore. उसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा सा बुरा लगता है, इसलिए like I don't really talk about her that much because I don't want to be typecasted in that category. Those who know, that's why YouTube comes, where I can actually show my genuine love and people will accept it. YouTube video वही देखते हैं जिनको मन करता है. I am like, I feel very safe over here, so yeah. This is my comeback video, but this is not my updates video. Like everything in my life has changed, which I will soon talk about, hopefully. But everything in Taylor's life has also changed. She is engaged now. I mean, girl, what? Who would have thought? Who would have thought? जब मैंने वो news देखी, I was like mind blown, as if my personal closest friend just got proposed to. Anyways, so the life of a showgirl. आज मैं आई हूँ to give a first listen to that album with you guys. Album सुबह 9:30 रिलीज हुई है, अभी 7:30 बज रहे हैं. पूरे दिन मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना है. मेरा फ़ोन म्यूट पे है सुबह से, ताकि मैं गलती से भी कुछ सुन ना लूँ. पर डेफिनेटली इंटरनेट पे थोड़ा बहुत जाना पड़ता है. मैंने बहुत कुछ देख लिया है कि किस बारे में ये एल्बम है, क्या चल रहा है, कौन से लिरिक्स हैं, लोग इसके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. वेरी पोलराइजिंग रिव्यूज़. कोई बोल रहा है बहुत अच्छी है, कोई बोल रहा है कि बहुत ही बेकार है, लाइक इट्स अ वर्स्ट एल्बम एवर. पता नहीं मुझे कैसा लगेगा, मुझे नहीं पता. द फैक्ट इज़ कि मैंने इसका इतना सा भी पार्ट नहीं सुना है. लाइक मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि ये कैसा साउंड करती है. इफ़ इट्स लाइक मोर सबरीना कोडेड, क्योंकि सबरीना की जो एल्बम्स है इट्स वेरी 60s इश एंड टेलर का एस्थेटिक इज शोगर्ल वाला विच इज़ ऑल्सो 60s. बट जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है कि मार्टिन एंड शलबैक का जो प्रोडक्शन है वो वैसा एस्थेटिक में नहीं फिट होता है. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड. मेरा पीरियड्स का फर्स्ट डे है. पूरा दिन मैं सोई रही हूँ एंड शाम को जाके मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा कैफीन इनटेक कर लिया है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम लाइक वेरी हाइपर राइट नाउ. मेरे पेट में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, क्रैम्प्स आ रहे हैं. बट लेट्स FG. Pressing play on the first song of Taylor's album is always okay. इसको हम शफल पे नहीं सुनेंगे. First song is The Fate of Ophelia. I heard you calling on the megaphone. You wanna see me all alone to watch it blow. Before मैं आगे कोरस पे जाऊँ, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हर वॉइस इज़ वेरी डीप. ऐसे यू नो ऐसे करके बात करे. मुझे रेपुटेशन की याद आ गई. दिस इज द ऑटो ट्यून एंड एवरीथिंग इज सो रेपुटेशन. लाइक आई लव द एको दैट इज हैपनिंग हियर. आजकल आई एम रियली इनटू दिस काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक, सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ परफेक्ट फॉर मी. About the melody, it's not my favorite, but this is the first song, so we don't know. The melody is definitely not my favorite. I would give this song like a 7 on 10 right now. As a first song, I don't feel like this is too captivating for me. Lyrics जो है इसके, they are way too complex to go with this kind of arrangement. When you are chilling, you know, lyrics पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो, but the beats are like woohoo. But it's Taylor. You want to listen to the lyrics. The तालमेल between the lyrics and the music is not sitting for me on the first listen. कुछ नहीं बोल सकती मैं, क्योंकि हो सकता है 2-3 बार सुनने के बाद मुझे गाना पसंद आ जाए, क्योंकि वाइब ही तो है. देखो, बेसिकली ओफेलिया इज फ्रॉम अ शेक्सपियर प्ले हैमलेट, जिसमें ओफेलियाज फादर इज मर्डर्ड बाय हर लवर. हर बीइंग इनटू दिस weird manipulative circle of familial pressure. Basically she is pressured into everything and बाद में वो इतनी frustrated हो जाती है कि वो suicide कर लेती है, which is very dark that she wrote that ki somebody came and saved her from that fate. Yeah, this is very Taylor coded actually. She would definitely write about things like these, but these lyrics are pretty relatable I feel. As I read the lyrics, मैं 0.5 ज़्यादा देना चाहूँगी, 7.5 out of 10. Next song, Elizabeth Taylor. Elizabeth Taylor. View of Portofino was on my mind when you called me at the Plaza Ateneo. I cried my eyes wide at Elizabeth Taylor. Tell me for real, do you think it's forever? Me, I am wild when Hollywood hates me. I had to, and I can't have fun. Okay, जब तक beat drop नहीं हो रहा था, I was like, this is kind of giving TTPD, which is not my favorite album because I don't know. TTPD मुझे लगता है is a result of major trauma. It's just about being able to relate to that or not. And TTPD was very very deep album, but I never got too much into it because I was not in that phase of my life. You know, she is definitely not depressed anymore. She is very happy. Like जैसे you know rockstar में कि उस दर्द हो रहा है तो उसका म्यूजिक बन रहा है, उसका वैसा नहीं हो रहा है. मैं नहीं बोलना चाहती कि टेलर को सैड होना चाहिए तभी हम उसके सॉन्ग से रिलेट कर पाएंगे. I really like it. मैं वापस सुनना चाहूँगी. मेरा कैमरा हिल गया. ओ गॉड भाई साहब, ये लाइन मुझे बहुत हिट कर रही है. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है यार. अभी 2 गानों में मुझे ये लिरिक ऐसा हिट किया है ना. बीन नंबर 1 बट नेवर हैड 2. लाइक पेन इज पेनिंग. क्या बात है. मतलब आई लव दिस सॉन्ग. भाई मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ गया. इसका मेलोडी इतना क्रेजी है, इसकी बीट्स क्रेजी हैं, इसके जो लिरिक्स हैं. सी आई डोंट नो एलिजाबेथ टेलर का फुल स्टोरी. आई जस्ट नो दैट शी लव्स डायमंड्स. शी वाज लाइक हॉलीवुड रॉयल्टी. इसका सेकंड नेम इज फर्स्ट नेम ऑफ Taylor, of course. Before I look into the whole lore, मुझे इसे समझ में आ रहा है कि Taylor is finally acknowledging that she is effing rich. As someone who grew up with Taylor Swift, जैसी वो humble है, I would have never thought that she would ever in her life write about being rich or having money. She's always been humble and writing about relatable stuff. Normal public relate नहीं कर पाएगी because we don't have so many diamonds and stuff. But I am glad that she has acknowledged that she is Taylor Swift. मतलब एक point तो आना ही था कि she has to acknowledge कि वो किस लेवल पे है. Go girl, let's like you have earned it. मज़ा आ गया guys. This song is amazing. I give it 8 on 10. 8 on 10 क्योंकि I think there are better songs of this album. Opalite. Eating out of the trash. It's never on the front. Opalite. Oh my lord. Fun. The whole vibe of this album is basically showtime, it's nighttime, it's party time. This song feels like sunny song, you know what I mean? Like very dhoopy song. It's a fun song. It's not the greatest, but it's fun. We try to love. We give it all we got. Why do I feel this is about Travis's ex-girlfriend, Kale Nicole, if I'm correct. She was in your phone, you were just a pose because she was an influencer and she used to post a lot with Travis. Feels like a direct shade, which is ड्रामा. उसने पहले अपनी टी बताया, उसकी टी तो हम सबको पता है, बट उसने ट्रेविस की भी टी खोल दी भाई. मैं इस गाने को दूंगी 6 on 10. It didn't make me feel like a lot. मतलब the beat at third song, I feel like it's repeating, like it's starting at a slow pace and then it's like dhoosh. तो वो थोड़ा सा मुझे repetitive लग रहा है. ऐसा लगता है कि I would love the lyrics if I listen to it more and more, but Opalite is not my favorite for now. I am sorry. Next song we have Father Figure. Okay, for Father Figure, I've heard that she has sampled George Michael, and I love George Michael. I love him. Like freaking Last Christmas is the best song in the whole world. Man, I love that song. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. I like it already. What did she just say? What did she just say? I protect the family. I have to say this. Okay, the sounds are pretty great and pretty new for something Taylor does. But usually these kind of songs don't have such complex lyrics. इनके बहुत ही simple से repetitive lyrics होते हैं, you know. Baby, this is what you came for. पता नहीं यार, I am not seeming to like this song as well. Even though George Michael का sampling है, I am so sorry. I honestly I can't figure out which song she has sampled yet. मुझे इस गाने में इतना मज़ा नहीं आ रहा. It's just my first listen, okay? So please don't judge me or hate me. We drank that brown liquor. You pulled the wrong trigger. This empire belongs to me. Even me. Okay. Guys, please tell me who this is about, because I know this is about someone. Like, this is a direct shade to some person who she mentored at some point and they betrayed her or did something or said something about her. Like, this is crazy, okay? इसमें बहुत गुस्से में लग रही है. Please मुझे बताओ who this is about. मेरे mind में first thing is Olivia Rodrigo. You know, you remind me of a younger me. You remind me of a younger me. I saw potential. Father figure is 6 on 10 for me. Track number 5, Eldest Daughter. I am an eldest daughter, so let's hope I like this song. मुझे इसके song के vibe से लग रहा है कि बहुत ही sad होगा. Man, I really miss Midnights. पता नहीं क्यों, like आज मुझे Midnights की बहुत याद आ रही है. उस time पे that was a very new sound. आज की date तक Midnights is my favorite Taylor Swift album. Everybody's so punk on the internet. Everyone's unbothered till they're not. But I'm not a bad bitch, and this isn't savage. But I'm never gonna let you down. The last time I laughed this hard was on the trampoline. Eldest daughter was the first lamb to the slaughter. So we all dressed up as wolves and we looked fire. Every eldest daughter was the first lamb to the slaughter. Eldest daughter से पूछो. Eldest daughter से पूछो. We are the experiments of our parents. At the first listen, it's kind of a boring song. This is actually one of my least favorites. Ferris wheels, kisses, and lilacs. Never gonna leave you now. I tried so hard. I tried so hard to like this song, but I just cannot. It's not hitting me. मुझे पता है eldest daughter should be very relatable. One or two lyrics I could get into my heart, but melody is very slow compared to other songs. Like, you're in a vibe and then it just crashes down somehow. It's a very, very 4 on 10. I am so sorry. I tried so hard. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा दुख हो रहा है कि इतने कम मार्क्स देने पड़ रहे हैं. Eldest daughter. That was eldest daughter. Next song, Ruin the Friendship. Country. Gray overpass full of neon names. You drive 85. I like it. I like it. Beach, watching the game from your brother's Jeep. Your smile. An invitation. You see this? You see this? It's just making me giddy and smiley. Like a kind of song जो आप ऐसे शाम को, ये जो शाम हो रही है, ऐसी शाम को अपनी कार में बैठ के फुल वॉल्यूम पे आप सुनते हो, आप प्यार से ड्राइव कर रहे हो. इट इज़ अ वेरी स्कूल कोडेड थिंग बिकॉज आई फील ऐसा यूजुअली स्कूल टाइम्स में होता है कि कोई आपका दोस्त है, देव नेवर थॉट अबाउट यू दैट वे बट यू लाइक देम एंड देन यू डोंट नो, लाइक इफ यू कन्फेस you'll ruin the friendship. This seems like something from her own high school or childhood experience, if I'm not wrong. It's wrong. Make it awkward in second period. Might piss your ex off. Lately we've been good. When I left school, I lost track of you. Abigail called me with the bad news. Goodbye. And we'll never know why. Hold on. It was. Oh my god. Guys, I have goosebumps. Is this about this guy who passed away? Wow, this is actually making my heart sink, man. This is crazy. Oh no. You know, Red Album में भी एक गाना था, Forever Winter, was about the guy who often said, with so much left to say, it was not convenient, no, but I whispered at the grave, should've kissed you anyway. Oh, and it was not an invitation, should've kissed you anyway. Should've done it, then regret it for all time. Should've kissed you anyway. I can't speak anymore. Oh my god, मेरे यहाँ तक आ गया है guys. इसने पूरे एल्बम का वाइब चेंज कर दिया. द मेलोडी इज सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड दिस सॉन्ग इज अ ट्रिब्यूट टू अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल पर्सन इन आवर लाइफ. आई हैव टू गिव दिस सॉन्ग अ 9 on 10. नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग एक्चुअली रोमांटिक. You call me boring Barbie when the coke's got you brain. High fives my and you said you're glad he ghosted me. मैंने पहले सुना था कि this song is tea, but this song is actually, excuse me, who called her boring Barbie? Who called her? मुझे पता है Charli XCX का नाम आएगा, but I want to see when did she call her boring Barbie. There's a whole thing going on between the fandoms. I'm really out of all that. Yes, लोग बोल रहे हैं कि उसके बारे में है. Let's see how the song actually is, right? You're sick to see my face. Some people might be offended, but it's actually sweet. I gotta hand it to you. We are the song 7. Okay, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि everything is sounding the same, at least in the start. उसके बाद वो थोड़ा beats पे change हो जाता है, but like you know the vibe. The album is very cohesive to the point that all songs are kind of sounding the same. No man has ever loved me like you do. Definitely about a girl. Hadn't thought of you in a long time, but you keep sending me funny valentines. How many times has your boyfriend said, what are we always talking about? It's actually sweet. आपके लाइफ में या आपके लाइफ के बाहर भी कोई ऐसा होता है जो आपके बारे में बहुत ही बकवास करते रहता है, सबसे जेलस होता है, इसलिए कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा बोलते रहता है आपके बारे में गलत सबको. This could have been relatable like 5 years ago. It's kinda making me wild, 'cause it's actually sweet. I'm kind of weirded out by this song. It seems like a very personal, specific situation that I'm personally not really aware of. So that's why I'm not really liking. Plus, the melodies are not hitting as much क्योंकि on first listen you wanna have something hit you, you know, या तो lyrics या तो कोई melody. तो मैं दोनों से ही relate नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, तो मुझे song का unfortunately 4 out of 10 देना पड़ेगा. I am so sorry. 7 songs in and अभी तक ऐसा कोई गाना नहीं आया where I'm like, oh my god, I love this song. Let's hear wish list. They want that yacht life under chopper blades. They want those girls on the bathroom floor. They want it all. Hope they get what they want. I just want you. Have a couple kids, got the whole block looking like you. By the driveway with the basketball. What's up, settle down, got a wish list. I just want you. This song is really sweet. It's like people want all sorts of beautiful things and उनको चाहने दो, पर मुझे बस तुम चाहिए. मुझे बस चाहिए कि मेरे तुम्हारे जैसे दिखने वाले 6-7 बच्चे हों, बैकयार्ड में बास्केटबॉल हूप हो, हमें लोग अकेला छोड़ दे, हम दोनों काम करें, मज़े करें. I would have to listen to it a couple more times because this could be my song, because this is exactly the phase I am in right now in my life. They want a contract with Real Madrid. They want that. This song is kind of special, man. This is really special. My fiance is a Real Madrid fan. Every album कोई ऐसा गाना होता है which you can say कि ये मेरे बारे में है. This is that song. The melody Not hitting. Guys, I don't think she can ever top Midnights at this point.
I just want you. Have a couple kids, got the whole block looking like you.
For the relatability, I give it a 7 on 10. For the potential, I feel like this is a song I can add in my playlist after I listen to it a few more times. Wishlist gets a 7.5. I was on a pee break, फिर मैंने इसको वापस सुना एंड मुझे अब मज़ा आ रहा है. मैं इसकी रैंकिंग बढ़ा के मुझे लगता है मैं इसको एक 8 देना चाहूँगी. 8 for wishlist. Let's listen to Wood. Oh, nice.
Daisy's bare naked, I was distraught. Fingers crossed until you put your
It's like being in the club.
knock on wood. Redwood tree, it ain't hard to see. His love was the key that opened my eyes.
Rewind.
Hypnotized me and opened my eyes.
Did she just moan?
Redwood tree, it ain't hard to see. His love was the key that opened my eyes.
इस लिरिक के बारे में मुझे कुछ नहीं बोलना है. It's very, you know that James Franco gif? It's that.
Girls, I don't need to catch the bouquet to know a hard rock is on the way. And baby, I'll never feel
I love the song. Another song I can definitely relate to. It's like when you're with a person, you just know that they want to be with you, they are going to marry you. You just know it from the start. Like तुम्हें कोई शक ही नहीं होता है. Like where is this going? Like that's never the question. Touch wood. Sorry, I'm gonna knock on wood. Nazar emoji in 2000.
Forgive me, it sounds cocky. Hypnotize me and open my eyes. Redwood tree, it ain't hard to see. His love was the key that opened my eyes.
Great song, 8 on 10 for the relatability. Next song, Cancelled.
You thought that it would be okay. They'd already picked out your grave. Good thing I like my friends canceled. I like them clicked in Gucci and in Scandal.
It's giving the man, but you're not the man, but you're the girl. It's that dialogue. Was I too loud in my own house that I bought with my own money with the songs that I wrote? It's giving that.
My friends are by me before my exonerate. For me, love's company.
Cancelled is a grower. You have to be really loyal to Taylor to wanna listen to them once again, maybe a few more times until you get the song. It's not an instant hit, except Ruin the Friendship. That is one of my favorites. कोई instant hit नहीं है, but I find most of these songs to be something that you have to listen to again. Cancelled को I'll give a 7 out of 10. The music was very similar to all the other songs. There was nothing different and I cannot relate to it. Next song is Honey. Honey is my second name.
You can call me honey if you want, because I'm the one you want. When anyone called me sweetheart, it was passive aggressive at the bar. Anyone called me honey, it was standing in the bathroom. White teeth, touch my face, redefine all of those blues.
I love it.
When you say honey, when you touch my face, redefine all of those blues. When you say honey, when anyone called me sweetheart, it was passive aggressive.
Okay, Honey has the right amount of romance. Also, the beats are really sick in this song. Plus the melody, I love it. I love when it comes to the chorus. Abhi aane wala hai, you listen to it. It's just actually really good.
You touch my face, redefine all of those blues. You can call me honey if you want, because I'm the one you want. Too hard to remember in the morning. Honey, when anyone called me sweetheart, it was passive.
She is is like so secure right now in her love life. It's like all praises and stuff. There is no anxiety like lover. There is just surety, and it's like that confidence that you have that the guy loves me, the guy worships the ground I walk on. That is the confidence a woman needs to have in her love life, and these are the songs that are showing it. I am here for it. 8.5 out of 10.
And the bitch was telling me to back off. You can call me honey if you want.
Next song and the last song on this album is The Life of a Showgirl featuring Sabrina Carpenter.
Then they said she didn't do it legitly. Thank you for the lovely bouquet. You're sweeter than a peach, but you don't know the life of a showgirl, babe. And you're never ever gonna. She was a menace, the baby of the family legs. Her father whored around like all men did. Her mother took pills and played tennis.
Sabrina's voice is so pretty. Pretty is a word that I can just say about her voice.
She was a menace, the baby of the family legs. Her father whored around like all men did. Her mother took pills and played tennis.
वापस सुनो इसको.
Her mother took pills and played tennis. They leave us for dead. I took her pearls of wisdom, hung them from my neck.
She is definitely gonna have a tour for this album, and I will be there. And the last outro is really cool. This song particularly gets a 7 out of 10 for me. I feel like average this album has been a 7 out of 10. It's not that great in the first listen, like you think that you have heard better, but on the second and third listens जो मैंने बीच में करे हैं, I find a few songs really good. मेरे हिसाब से Opalite, Elizabeth Taylor, Ruin the Friendship, Wishlist, Wood, Honey are my favorites. Every time Taylor is experimenting and evolving, I just feel this is a very live show kind of an album. It's also something that you need to give a chance on. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि if people start to make trends on Reels or TikTok as they usually do with some of these songs, some songs are gonna get really out there, like they're gonna really blow up. They have that potential. Unlike Torture Poets Department, which has like 30 songs, this has only 12 songs and it's very easy to get into it. Definitely my opinions are not universal. I don't know what you guys feel. You just have to tell me what you feel. Which was your favorite song? Let me know. If you think my opinions are trash, then also let me know. As much as I love Taylor, as a fan, I always expect something extraordinary from her. But this is not a bad album at all, जैसा बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं. I think this is a perfectly good album, perfectly listenable. These songs are very car friendly, if that makes any sense. Anyways, that was my opinion on The Life of a Showgirl. I really hope to love this album more and more as the time goes by, because these songs are not going anywhere. I love her the same, maybe even more, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.